That's terrific. Well, we're here to inspire you and educate you, or to entertain you, motivate you. And that story, I think, does all of those things. We also heard an incredible story with General Electric. And now we're going to turn to our third and final story, which looks at a customer that we've had at Salesforce for more than a decade. And this amazing company continues to reinvent itself over and over again, has become one of the greatest companies that I've really ever seen. But now they're going through a transformation unlike any company or maybe any customer we have. They have many, many, many products, and they're connecting them all. And to understand what that means for a company like this, and to making sure that we're able to bring that inspiration directly to you, we made a film about it. Let's take a deep look here into Honeywell.
Everybody wants information at their fingertips, and it's not just about the product. It's a whole new way of thinking about customers. So we started creating what we call connected thermostats. And what's great about that is you can control your temperature from your phone. But what if your contractor could also ensure that your home was running? Could we start to connect homeowners and contractors in a way that wasn't done before? We didn't want to have to create software solutions from the ground up. We wanted to think about value and benefits. Let's use something that already exists, that we can build on, that we don't have to build ourselves. And Salesforce just made sense.
It started with a single question to our contractors. If you had remote visibility into the air conditioner or furnace performance within your customers' homes, what could that mean to your business? The answer we got back was, it means everything.
Whole house monitoring is something that's very prevalent nowadays. Everybody's getting used to that. People do security monitoring. So bringing the air conditioning system and the cooling system of your home into that is a natural fit.
We're allowing homeowners who want to know that someone is watching over their home and maintaining it for them to have a relationship with a contractor.
Historically, customers come home from work and find out that their home's 110 degrees. The new portal changes all of that. It's real-time monitoring, 24 hours a day. We will know the minute we get an alert from their system.
You can get information and you can look at it on your smart device to diagnose that problem before you even run that truck out there. We're changing the business model of the contractor.
It's not as much about connecting the home as it is about connecting the person. It's like walking into a coffee shop and having them hand you a cup because they know that that's what you like to drink.
When we can translate that to a customer at the kitchen table, we can tell them that we're able to provide them a much higher level of accurate diagnostics and overall, just a better sense of customer service. So the whole scope of the relationship changes completely.
Salesforce and their suite of sales, service, and marketing tool sets allowed us to take the needs of our customers and merge it into this app that they are using on an everyday basis.
Every Honeywell connected thermostat that's sold can be connected back to a contractor with a Find a Dealer button right in the app. And we're presenting contractors in their area who are willing to come out and give them a hand.
Salesforce is really building the trust and bond between two people that maybe never would have connected. So it becomes a lead generation machine.
It allows us to create multiple connections with that customer. So now we're on a journey. We're able to create new software services that we can sell, as a subscription service to contractors, which they in turn sell as maintenance agreements. So now we're seeing revenue for our business not only come from the hardware, but from the software.
For the first time in our history, we're competing against college kids sitting in dorm rooms writing software. And that's a different way of thinking about what the speed to market is.
We chose Salesforce because we wanted to go fast.
I didn't have to learn the basic 101s of how these software pieces come together. I could take the needs of my customer and through concept and design, rapidly generate this and turn it into a solution.
Business leaders and businesses today need to recognize that we're in the age of digital, of mobile, and just look at the power of using Salesforce as the platform to really help them transform their business. Our mission right now is we want to connect everything. So we're really excited and really happy to have a partner like Salesforce to just open the door to where we're going to go in this world of connected devices.
All right, well, that's an amazing, isn't that a great story? Is this our best keynote ever? I mean, this is just awesome. That drone flying in, I'm never going to get over that. Anyway, I was just talking to Alex. He was just happy when it went over him. All right, number one, we're going to show you the next version now of the Sales Cloud, Sales Cloud 1. We're going to show you the next version of the Service Cloud, Service Cloud 1. We're going to go deep into Marketing Cloud and show you Journey Builder, and we're going to show you our brand new Community Cloud. We're going to show you all of this. Please welcome our very own Linda Crawford, our EVP of the Service Cloud. Linda?
Thanks, Mark. Wow, it's awesome to be here with you this afternoon. And I can't believe that this is my 9th Dreamforce, the best one ever. And, you know, it's a little hard, I think, to follow boats and drones, but I'm going to give it a yeoman's try. I'm going to talk to you this afternoon about the Customer Success Platform. As we talk to all of you, our customers, and we see the revolutions that are happening in our industry, we know that the lines between sales, service, and marketing are clearly blurring. And that's why it's so important for all of these applications to work together on the Customer Success Platform. Well, I want to start off this morning, this afternoon, by talking to you about the Marketing Cloud, the world's #1 marketing application. You know, in the Marketing Cloud, you can build one-to-one journeys with your customer, creating deep relationships with them. And you can personalize all your content, leveraging all of your digital marketing channels. And the best news is you can connect everything, your products, your partners, your employees, and of course, your customers. Now, I want you to think about this. We are all on a journey, and I'm on a journey right now down these stairs in high heels, but we are all on a journey with our customers. But where are we on this journey with our customers? That is a critical question that we need to answer. And we can do that with the Journey Builder. That's why I love this product so much, and I want to show that to you right now. Now, we're going to show you some demos today, and they're all inspired by the Honeywell story. Here's the Journey Builder. You know, in the Journey Builder, you can map out your entire end-to-end process and engagement process with your customers. But today, let's have a little fun, and let's go through an onboarding journey. Put yourself in a customer's shoes that just bought the new Lyric thermostat that you saw in that film. Now, as customers, what do we want when we do business with a customer? What do we want as a customer when we do business with a new company? We want to be welcomed, and here is the welcome email that you get from Honeywell. It not just gives you some text, but invites you now to download this great customer app, the Lyric customer app. Well, the next phase of this journey is that we get another communication channel to open up to us. This is the in-app message coming right into the app that I just downloaded, right? And I love this as a customer because now I'm engaged. It's giving me information on how to run that Lyric device. Okay, so there's some people who probably forgot to look at that email. What happens to them now? Well, in the journey, it gives you a gentle reminder, this time through an SMS right on your phone, hey, please download this app. It's great. You're going to be able to run your entire home environment with it. But then on day 4, once we are deeply engaged with this customer, we get sort of my favorite part as the head of the Sales Cloud. I love selling. So here we get to cross-sell and upsell this customer, and we offer them a new security service. Well, that's great. You know, throughout this journey, I'm beginning to love Honeywell even more in this thermostat that I just bought. Well, I just gave you a breeze through the Marketing Cloud and the Journey Builder, and I want to invite all of you to come back tomorrow in this room at 9 a.m. when Scott McCorkle, who's the CEO of the Marketing Cloud, will give his product keynote. He's going to rock you out. It is great. I've seen it. I saw it in rehearsal, and you'll just love it. Well, now I want to move on to sales. This is my personal passion, the Sales Cloud. And today, I have the pleasure of introducing you to the all-new Sales Cloud, Sales Cloud 1. You can sell smarter because we put breakthrough intelligence into the application. You can sell faster than ever before because we built a whole new suite of productivity apps. And of course, you can sell from anywhere on any device because Sales Cloud 1 is built right on top of the Salesforce 1 platform. Let's see the Sales Cloud in action. You know, at Honeywell, they have B2B sales reps whose job it is to sell heating and cooling equipment to large developers. And we're going to go through a scenario right now where I'm going to play the role of a Honeywell salesperson. It's my job to sell to this company called Webcor, a big developer. They have a project going on, and I need to win a deal there. Now, salespeople, what do we do when we start our day? Of course, we start our day in the phone. Doesn't everybody start their day with their phone? Well, now, right here as a salesperson, you've got them use Salesforce 1 and Sales Cloud right here. You've got all of your CRM data, your accounts, your contacts, your leads, new apps like Notes and Tasks, and an app that I love called Today. How many of you use Today? I'm going to convince you right now that this is an app that you have to have. You know, Today is smart. It's like your personal assistant. You can see whether or not you need an umbrella. We might need one tonight for Bruno Mars. And you've got a consumer-like task experience keeping me up to date with everything I need to do, my meeting at 9:30 and who I'm meeting with. But there's more. There's the Analytics Cloud right here in Salesforce 1, right in Sales Cloud 1. So now you can turn your insights into action. And some of you may be wondering what that bar is at the bottom. That's a new action bar right in Salesforce 1. We wanted to make it easier for you to do things fast, like post to a feed or create a task. But let's turn our attention to that meeting. We are behind in this deal at Webcor. So what I need to do is I need to bring a team of A players to help me win this deal. But this is Dreamforce. How about we bring a team of superheroes? And we've got our own Parker Harris Lightning Man right here to help us. Now, I've got my team together. We're dialed into the conference call, and I look down on my desk. And there's the tablet. And the new Sales Cloud 1 running right on the tablet, running right on Salesforce 1. And you think to yourself, wow, that's a new look and feel to the opportunity page. That sales path, that helps me win deals because it gives me guidance on how to advance in each and every part of the sales cycle. Now, I've got my team behind me. I've got the app behind me. I need to get my thoughts together. This is a perfect time for me to take some notes. And right here on that yellow icon, I press that, and I'm into the new notes experience. This is my favorite, my all-time favorite part of the application because notes is smart and fast. You're probably saying, how smart? Super smart because it can anticipate who I'm writing about. In this case, it's my colleague named Shin. And it can anticipate that I'm writing about my customer, Bob. Now, Shin and Bob are automatically related right to this note. Now, wouldn't it be magical at this point if I could turn my note into my action plan? And I can do that with just my finger, just this little finger here. This is now my secret weapon. I can glide my finger across that note, and right away, I'm creating tasks. Let's do that again. It's awesome, huh? All right, one more time. Right here in front of me, my action plan is unfolding. I've got my team aligned, and it's time to head out to that meeting. Now, how do we get to the meeting? Should we take an Uber? Should we take a Lyft? Maybe we walk because of the traffic. It doesn't matter. I have all of these apps right here seamlessly integrated into Sales Cloud 1 because it's integrated through the Salesforce 1 platform. Okay, how about we just take an Uber? We hop in the Uber. We're headed out now to meet this customer at Webcor. And I'm feeling a little nervous at this point because Shin hasn't delivered the pricing proposal I need just yet. But just as I'm about to get out of the car, I look down at my watch, my new cool Moto 360 smartwatch, and there it is. Shin's come through for me. My new pricing proposal is right here. So I'm excited. I'm armed and dangerous. I'm ready to head into that meeting. I pull up my opportunity now. And in the opportunity, I've got a file. I've got my pricing proposal. It turns out that the competition is ahead of me because they dramatically dropped the price. You know, it happens in sales. But as I'm talking to the customer, I quickly realize that as I'm selling value, I know that a couple of quick changes would allow me to win this deal. And now we have a new icon right at the top there, the first icon in the blue bar. That allows me to open up Excel right into Sales Cloud One. Really cool. Here, the world's #1 sales application meets the world's #1 office productivity app, Microsoft Excel right here in the cloud. And it's because of our partnership with Microsoft that we're able to work so closely together to develop this kind of integration. And this kind of integration is all about you, our customers. We want you to be so much more productive by being able to work seamlessly across the applications. Well, at this point, I've got the customer super excited about my proposal, and it's time to move that deal forward, and I do that with just a tap. All right, we move the deal forward, and I'm thinking to myself, it's been a great day, a really good day. We've done a lot. And here's Sales Cloud One. Sales Cloud One thinks I've had a great day, too. This is my recap of my day, not just on my phone, but on my tablet and on my watch. This is just like Fitbit for sales reps. And I don't know about you, Marc. You want to run your business on your phone. I'm thinking, I'm going to run my business on my watch at this point. I'm excited to see what Will.i.am has to say about this tomorrow. Now, sales is the beginning of our journey with our customer, the very beginning where we acquire that customer. It is the beginning of the journey that we want to deliver excellent service so that customer is with us for life. And that's why I'm so excited right now to introduce you to Service Cloud One. With Service Cloud One, you can personalize all of your service. You know that SOS button that Marc talked about earlier, that now is yours. You can place that SOS button right into any of your mobile apps. And, of course, you can service your customer from anywhere because Service Cloud One is built right onto Salesforce One too. And your agents just got a whole lot smarter because of the new modern agent console. Now, service isn't delivered just by your employees anymore. It's delivered by your community as well. And that's why I'm excited to introduce you to the Community Cloud. The Community Cloud allows you to deliver content to everyone because your public communities, the data in your public communities is now optimized for search engine. You also can deliver one-to-one personalized content to every member in your community. And the people within your company that work with your community now got a whole lot smarter and faster because they can moderate in a new console. And you can spin up communities faster than ever before because of the new visual designer and because of the templates that were delivered to you. Now, let's take a look at communities and Service Cloud. I'm now in the Service Cloud, and you can see all the communication channels that we have with our customer. Here's phone and email and Facebook and Twitter, and there's also this green icon called WhatsApp. Every time I say WhatsApp, I gotta go, WhatsApp. Anyway, let's look at that top case. This is the Lyric customer service case, and it was generated by that smart device, that Lyric thermostat. It sensed a dramatic drop in temperature at Alex Dayon's ski cabin. Now, as the agent in the new Service Cloud One console, he can see everything he needs to do to help solve this case with Alex. But our journey said not to just create a case in the call center, but also to notify the customer. But where is Alex when he gets this notification? Where could he be? Where's Alex?
I'm here. And I'm on my boat on the French Riviera.
Of course you're on your boat. Are you on vacation?
Yes, of course, I'm French.
Of course. Of course. Hey, Alex, you've got an issue at your cabin. It looks like your pipes could freeze. There's a dramatic drop in temperature.
Wow, it's cold there.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, what are you going to do about it?
I don't know, there is a problem.
Well, I could tell you, you have that Lyric customer app.
Yes.
You could. You could bring a contractor.
Linda, hang on. I've got my lightning bolt. We could use my lightning bolt.
No, I have an app, Parker. I have an app on my phone. We don't need
I don't know.
No, you don't need, you need to fly there.
Okay.
You're in the Riviera. I don't think you're going to be able to. Well,
on my app, I can do everything right from my boat, right in my cabin.
Nice.
Yes.
Let's have a drink, you and I.
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
Yeah,
That's
okay,
what we do.
go on. You know what you need to do? You need to schedule an appointment to have one of the Honeywell contractors come to your house and see what's going on. So to the rescue comes Allie. Allie is a member of the Honeywell contractor community, and she's running this incredible Honeywell community application. It's built right on the Salesforce One platform in the community cloud. And here, she gets smarter because she's got conversations going on with her contractors. They're learning about new products. She's got everything she needs to do to manage her customers. But what catches her attention is this alert coming from the Lyric device. And Alex saying, you need to go to my cabin and check out what's going on there, because we don't want the pipes to freeze. All right, well, the good news is that Alex and Allie are connected not just through the community, but also through their apps. So that means that Alex can see right when Allie is going to arrive at this cabin. Well, the good news is, way back at the beginning of this demo, we cross-sold and upsold Alex, and he can also unlock the door to this cabin because he has a Honeywell Total Connect security app. He just taps here and can unlock the door to the cabin. In walks Allie, our contractor, and she finds where the heating and cooling systems are in Alex's cabin. She takes a quick peek at this equipment and thinks, wow, it's kind of old. I haven't seen this in a long time. But what's Allie going to do? Is she going to pack up and leave because she hasn't seen this? No, she doesn't have to do that. She has, right on her community app, right in here, right in the contractor community app, she's got the SOS button. She presses that button, and instantaneously, she's connected back into the call center. And right here in the call center, Allie and our case agent are connected real time through co-browsing technology. Let's see what happens next.
Hey, Allie, my name's Kevin with Honeywell Support. What seems to be the issue?
Hi, Kevin. I'm in Mr. Dayon's cabin, and it's absolutely freezing. I think it's a furnace issue.
All right, I think I can help you out. Just start by tapping this documentation button right here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is that you drawing on my screen?
Yeah. Go ahead and tap right there, and I'll get this problem solved.
OK, it looks like my furnace is the one on the left.
All right, we've seen this issue before, and all you have to do is reset the device. Just get this red knob, turn it all the way left, press it in, and then turn it all the way right, and that should get the furnace started again.
Something clicked. I think it worked.
All right, I'm connecting your system right here. I see the temperature is increasing. The pipe should be saved. I'm going to go ahead and close out this case.
All right, and you can see, in fact, that the temperature is rising in Alex's cabin. Alex, your vacation is saved. Good news. Good news. Well, this is how Honeywell connects through sales, service, marketing, community, analytics, and apps to connect to their customers in a whole new way, right on the customer success platform. Marc, back to you.
Hey, let's thank Crawford, huh? Isn't that cool? Great job, Linda. Woo! And now, please thank Beth Wozniak from Honeywell. Beth, welcome to Dreamforce. Great to have you here. Beth, amazing company, the products, the connected thermostat, and also, I mean, I can just imagine all of your products now getting connected. What does this mean for your company?
You know, I think it's a whole new way of us doing business, creating value for not only consumers, in the case of homes, but for our partners. And you can see that we've just started this journey. So with our contractors, this is a whole new way of delivering service. You know, it's about capturing customers for life. You know what happened before is Alex's cabin, his pipes would have froze, but now his contractor can be proactive. That's a whole new way of doing business. And think about it even just from a homeowner. As we can connect millions of people, we're in over 150 million homes, we can make comfort, energy efficiency easy. That Lyric thermostat with geofencing, you don't even have to think about what temperature it's at. It knows when you're home, it knows when you're away. So I think we're creating new value and new business models.
Well, I'm so impressed with how your company is transforming. Your leadership is amazing. Thank you so much for being at Dreamforce. Fantastic.
Thank you, Marc.
Please thank Beth. All right, well, we've come to the end of the keynote. Can you believe it? Our best keynote ever. Don't you agree? Congratulations to our Keynote team. Thank you very much. Thanks to all of you. I think that we're at the bottom of the ninth right now with the Giants. Hey, we're going to see you tonight with Bruno Mars. It's going to be awesome. Don't miss the Will.i.am keynote tomorrow. Welcome to Dreamforce 2014. Thank you very much, everybody.